Hello guys and welcome to Smiles Tech. In this video we're going to be exploring a cutting-edge technology that has been creating a buzz in the tech world, specifically the Raspberry Pi 5. So if you're a tech enthusiast or a professional, this little powerhouse is sure to blow your mind. Now, this Raspberry Pi 5 video will be broken down into a couple of other videos. The first one, which is this one, is going to be the unboxing. Next is going to be unpacking that which has been unboxed. The third will be for the hardware assembly. The fourth will be the software. And if these videos get enough likes, reactions, and subscriptions, we might as well start doing projects on this Raspberry Pi 5. So be sure to stay subscribed and like this video so that we can keep creating awesome content like this. Now, on getting the Raspberry Pi 5, we headed over to AliExpress and ordered this particular product. Now, it took a couple of weeks, a month or so, for this particular product to arrive. So on getting it, we headed straight into the unboxing. Now, opening this particular product, we were met with a couple of components inside of the box. The first being a HDMI high-speed Ethernet cable. The second, which is the Raspberry Pi case. The third is an 8 gig RAM Raspberry Pi circuit board, which is obviously the main component inside of this box. The fourth is a 64 gig SanDisk memory card. Now the fifth is a little piece of carton. Oh, sorry, scrape that. The fifth is a USB power supply unit. And the sixth is an open hardware facilitator. Now we're going to be looking individually on the contents of each of these components in the next video. So like this video, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.